Thank you. Thank you, contest chair Toastmaster Sivatsa. So, with respect to speech evaluation context and table topics contest for Whitefield Toastmaster Club, there are no time disqualification for both the contests. And over to you, the contest.
Thank you so much, Chief Judge. Now I would request Contest Master, Toastmaster Monica to come on stage. Let me begin announcing the winners for speech evaluation contest. To start with third place, drum rolls. Third place goes to Yeshendu Paresh Pandey. Second place for speech evaluation contest goes to Radha Kashinathan. Winner of speech evaluation contest of Whitefield Toastmasters, who will be representing Area Division contest is Mazahir Hussain.
First, another one. Thank you.
Thank you. Now I request contest master of table topics contest, Toastmaster Vaishak, to come on stage. Third place of table topics contest of Whitefield Toastmasters goes to Nibi Jacob. Second place for table topics contest goes to Shweta Jalan. Winner of table topics contest of Whitefield Toastmasters Club, who will be representing Area Division contest, is Mazahir Hussain.
Oh, Shweta. Da. You be
Vishak,
here.
this side.
Vishak, you go that side. Ready? Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Before we conclude, it's time to recognize the role takers who were present for the contest today. First test speaker, I'll start.
Since he's not part of the universe, can he also come and give the present token conversation? Akshay, as a president.
I would also request the president of the club to be present on stage to distribute goodies for the role takers. Huge round of applause for our test speaker for the contest, Toastmaster Shailu Srivastava. One. Our Sergeant at Arms for the day, Toastmaster Saravanan. Our time manager, Toastmaster Miral Ali. Other time manager, Toastmaster Amir. Our dual role taker for the day, Toastmaster Bhima Shankar, who was Sergeant at Arms as well as Tally Counter. Our PR chair for the contest, Toastmaster Aravindan Rajendran. Our chief judge for the contest, Toastmaster Vinit Jain. Our contest master for speech evaluation contest, Toastmaster Monica. Our contest master for table topics contest, Toastmaster Vaishak.
Akshay, you announce the next one?
Okay, so we do have the next one is the
Contest chair.
oh, this is the contest here. We do have sir, can you please come onto the stage?
thank you so much everyone for making this contest a wonderful treat for all the audience, as well as you all gained your experience, and it's the day we need to think about the future. Let's do the task today, and so that we will learn in our future. With this, I would like to close the contest for Whitefield Toastmasters, that is speech evaluation and table topics contest. Thank you so much everyone for being here. Over to the president of the club.
It was an amazing contest, right? Yes. Full house, lot of competition going on, healthy competition going on, and a huge round of applause for the winners in the house, please. All the people, as I've already mentioned in my earlier address, who have participated for the first time, I have a huge respect for them. They have come out of their comfort zone, taken the first step in the contest itself. It is a big step. A huge round of applause for them. Last but not the least, thank you all the panel of judges, contest chair, contest masters, tally counters, timers, everyone, and last but not the least, the entire executive committee, because of which this contest was possible in the smoothest manner ever. Thank you so much, everyone. With this, I know your eyes are at the back toward the snack table. I would like to adjourn the session. Thank you so much.